Guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Just a quick video today, just discussing frost fleece and whether or not you should be using this in your garden. My simple answer to this is yes and no, so let me briefly explain here. Of course, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, certainly drop a subscribe, follow along, join our amazing community. Of course, a like always helps the channel to grow. So in front of us here, guys, is my 4-foot Dixonia Antarctica tree fern. As you can see at the moment here, I do have fleece wrapped around the top of the trunk. Now, essentially, guys, with fleece, what are we trying to do with fleece? Essentially, what we're trying to do is keep the frost off of the plant, which will hopefully prevent damage. Now, one thing with fleece, guys, to bear in mind is that it is not necessarily something that you're going to be using to increase temperature or to kind of, keep a higher temperature over a period of time. Typically, fleece is really used just to keep the frost off of the plant. So something to bear in mind when you are thinking about using fleece on your plants. Now, of course, guys, taking a look at the plants here, we are expected a -2 degrees C tonight. So I have gone around and wrapped up my plants again. Now, some people do choose to leave plants wrapped sort of all winter in fleece. Me personally, I would not do this. I do prefer to keep my fleece as dry as possible. I only put it on just when the cold is due to set in. Reason being is as soon as that fleece gets wet, it's not really going to be doing the job that you want it to do, and it could even cause it to freeze onto the plant as well. So, if we can keep it dry, now appreciate sometimes it might be raining before a cold spell and things like that, in which case you wouldn't be able to keep it dry. And in that case, guys, what we're really just doing is making sure that any frost that lands on top of the fleece stays on the fleece and doesn't get down into the plant. So essentially, guys, would I recommend using fleece sort of long-term over the winter? Me personally, I would not choose to use it sort of long-term. I only use it when there is a cold approaching, and I've removed that as soon as possible afterwards and put the fleece into a shed or somewhere where it can dry out for the next time that I need it. Now, of course, guys, there's varying opinions on this as to whether to use fleece. Some people, have many, many years of experience using just fleece and get away with it absolutely fine. But certainly, guys, just the plain physics of it, if you're using something wet, really it's not going to do the job as something dry. So typically, if I'm looking to keep something sort of dry over winter, what I may do is use fleece as an outer barrier, like I've done here with my Musa sycamensis. Now, what I have done in the center to boost and insulate the plant is to use straw. Now, you can also use things like dry leaves. There's many other methods. Personally, guys, I find straw does help to keep it fairly dry. It keeps the moisture out. But of course, with that fleece on there, guys, it does allow that sort of area to breathe. So if it does get moisture in, you just hope that it does come out of there. So overall, guys, one thing to bear in mind with fleece as well, there's many different thicknesses of fleece that you can use. So, it's worth investigating before you purchase any fleece, and certainly understand the requirements of your plants as well, as some plants, could be detrimental if you fleece them. For example, guys, I wouldn't go fleecing things like my palm trees, as unfortunately what the fleece can do is build up moisture around it, and that can eventually lead to rot. So, guys, I guess overall, an answer, yes and no. Should you use fleece? Yes, I would recommend it on the short term, but I would not be leaving things on for the long term. I would only use fleece in the instance of cold and remove that straight away soon after. Of course, guys, that's just my personal opinion, and my experience has led me to do this. Of course, you can sort of again, lots of information on all sides, so certainly worth investigating, and also knowing the plant that you've got to how much fleece or protection it needs throughout the winter. So with that said, guys, I hope that has been somewhat helpful. Of course, again, if you have not subscribed yet, certainly drop us a subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.